Hello friends, welcome to Macnotech YouTube channel. Friends, our today's topic is error and source of error. And another topic that we are going to cover, that is types of error. So let us start. What is error? So it is a difference between true value and indicated value. So what is true value? Suppose one shaft having 50 mm diameter. Okay. So 50 mm is the true value, right? And as you know, we never achieve an exact value. So it may be a 49.98 or maybe a 50.02 mm. Okay. Whenever we are going to manufacture this, then it may be a change. So this is 49.98, that is called the indicated value. Okay. So I hope you understand what is true value 50 and what is indicated value, that is exactly what we are going to measure 98. So here difference between these two is called the error. Okay. Now there are various source of error which may occur during the measurement, like defect in instruments. Okay. These are the source of error. Okay. Or because of this error may be possible. So first is defect in instruments, second is manual adjustment of an instrument, third is manufacturing defect in instrument, fourth one is observation error, maybe human error, fifth one is error due to measuring force of instrument. Okay. Then sixth one is method of location of instrument. 7 is error due to material property of an object. So it may be possible material property is not throughout the same. So it may be due to error of that. Error due to the shape and size of an object, and error due to surface finish of an object. So these are the different source. Because of this, error may be possible. Okay. So this is the definition of error and these are the source of error. Now next is types of error. So there are two types of error, that is systematic error, second is random error. Systematic error, we can also say it's a controllable error. Okay. Why controllable? Because take care of few things, we can reduce the error. That's why it is called the controllable error. So here error, two types, random and systematic. Again, in a systematic or we can say controllable error, there are 6 types. That is alignment error, environmental error, support error, dirt error, contact error and reading error. So because of this, error is produced, that is called the systematic error. Okay. So let us come to alignment error. So first is alignment error. Let me explain to you by figure. So let me explain you by this figure. This is a shaft having length L. Okay. And if we measure by the scale, so the scale should be exactly perpendicular. You can see here this line match with the shaft, right? So it is, we can say, exactly perpendicular. Then and then it will give the correct measurement, correct value, right? If we measure like this, so the length will be wrong. If we measure with some angle theta, then it will be wrong, right? So this is also called the cosine error. So here L is the actual size of the component, small l, that is measured size of the component by this way. E is the error due to misalignment, that is small n minus capital L. Theta is the angle of inclination, you can see here in this figure. So basically cos theta is equal to capital L upon small l. So capital L is equal to, we can say by this triangle, small l cos theta. So here E is equal to error. So error is equal to small l minus capital L, because this one is long compared to this one. So here capital L is equal to L cos theta, small l cos theta, and this is the error. Okay. And this is also called the cosine error. So by this way you can say this is the alignment error, right? Next is environmental error. So what is the environmental error? I will not read all these things, but you can easily understand by this sentence: environmental error. Due to environment, error is produced, that is called the environmental error. So environmental error mainly caused due to the effect of surrounding temperature. Okay, if the measuring instrument is in boiler, then it is in the too much high temperature, right? So because of too much high temperature, pressure, humidity, so these are the factors which affect the error. Okay, so this is called the environmental error, and we should operate the instrument generally at the 20 degree centigrade. If the component are handled directly, then it is temperature may be increased 4 to 5 degree within 3 to 4 minutes only. So without any protection, if we use, then the temperature of the measuring instrument will increase and final will be the error. Okay, so support error. Next is the support error. So let me show you figure support error. So here this is a length of beam, okay, and there is a support. If support is too close, then it will try to bend over here, so we cannot measure the exactly length, right? If support is too far, okay, the point is too far, then it is also bent from here, so again we cannot measure the true length. So for that, the standard is the distance between two support is 0.577 capital L. Okay, capital L is the length of this bar. Okay, so this is about the support error, right? Then next is dirt error. So you know the meaning of dirt. Okay, dirt particle can enter into the inspection room through the window, doors. So because of this, error will be there, so it is called the dirt error. Okay, so to reduce this type of error, various laboratories are made dust proof. Okay, then contact error, you can see here. Okay, if I want to measure the thickness of this round bar, okay, and if I measure like this, then this jaw will not be touch over here, so this produce an error. So this is called the contact error. You can explain by your own way, but with the figure. Okay, figure is compulsory. Just draw the figure in all the explanations. Okay, it will be very easy for you, right? Then next is reading error. So here, if the point is here, and if I want to see the measurement, then I can see the measurement correctly from this position. Okay, if I see from this way, then it is indicate with the right side of the true measurement, and if I see from this way, this side, then it will be the left from the true value, right? So this is a reading error. Okay, so we have to take care whenever we are going to read the instrument, okay, output. Then random error. Last one is the random error. It is very important thing. This type of error occurs randomly and they cannot be determined. So as I told you, it is uncontrollable, so we cannot determine it. These errors are generated due to the number of unpredictable and fluctuating causes. For example, vibration, friction of between the surface, backlash. It means backlash means play in the instrument, or we can say some clearance in the instrument. It is called the backlash in instrument. Fluctuation in power supply. So these are the reason for the random error. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Press the like button, share this video to your friends, and subscribe this channel for more and more videos. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.